In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add editors to your Weebly website. By the end of this guide, you'll have the skills to easily manage and customize who can help you build and maintain your site. So let us get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Weebly site editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to make changes to your website's layout and content. Once you're there, look for the settings option. It can usually be found in the navigation menu, and clicking on it will open a new window of possibilities. Here, you're going to find everything you need to customize, not just your website, but also who can collaborate with you on it. In the settings section, you'll find another option labeled editors. This is exactly where you want to be to start adding collaborators. Clicking on editors will bring up a list of anyone you've already added, and more importantly, it gives you the ability to add new editors to your team. Now, you're going to add a new editor by clicking on the Add Editor button. This opens up a prompt where you'll input their email address. Keep in mind that you want to double check the email because this is where the invitation will be sent. Adding an accurate email ensures your future editor will receive the invitation without any hitches. After you've entered the email, you have the option to include a personalized message with the invitation. This is a nice touch as it not only gives the recipient context about the invitation, but also allows you to explain what role they will play on the website. It could be as simple as, "Hi, I'm inviting you to join as an editor to help manage our blog section," or whatever suits your specific needs. Next up is selecting the permissions for this editor. Weebly gives you the flexibility to decide what level of access each editor will have on your website. You might want someone to only have access to manage content, or perhaps you'd like them to have full control to make layout changes. Carefully select the permissions that fit the responsibilities you would like your new editor to assume. Finally, once you've gone through these steps and you're satisfied with everything, it's time to click on Save Editor. This will save your changes and send out an invitation email to the person you're adding. After this, they'll be getting instructions on how to join your Weebly team and start contributing. And that's it. You've successfully added a new editor to your Weebly website. Remember, being able to collaborate with others can greatly improve your workflow and the quality of your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy editing!